If you are not building a list, you are building on rented land. One algorithm change, one hacked account, one disabled page, and everything you built can disappear. But your list is yours forever. Welcome to day 25. Today's topic is list building, both for email and WhatsApp. We're going to be talking about something every successful woman in business understands. Your list is your private empire. It is the audience you own, the community you nurture, the buyers you can reach directly without social media permission. So whether you choose WhatsApp or email lists, list building is how you create consistent sales, a loyal community, predictable income, instant visibility, and freedom from algorithm stress. The other day, I talked about Bumper. Now, Bumper really helps you do all of this. It is very easy. For every customer that you make a sale to or that reaches out to you, you can put in name. Bumper will give you a room for you to create a customer list. You put their phone number, their email, their address, whatever information you got from them, you can easily store it on Bumper. Very easy. And whatever you like, you can just export it from there and maybe save it in your Google Drive, however it is you want to do it. You can also write them down. Most times, everything do not have to be on your phone. Your phone could actually crash, or you might not have access to your phone for a while. All right. So what do? You could actually write these things down, right? Write them down. It's very good to keep a list and have backup plans. So if you have your email list saved on your email, you have your WhatsApp list saved on your WhatsApp, you have all your customer details on your Bumper app, you should also keep the hard copy. If you can't write them down, you can easily get them out, print them in a paper and keep them because writing can be tedious sometimes. Okay. So now this list, whatever lists, whether you choose your WhatsApp list, your email list, this list building is how you create a consistent sale, a loyal community, predictable income, instant visibility, and freedom from algorithm stress. Now, when I use my Bumper, it is very easy for me to on my Bumper, I can easily send SMS to all of my customers telling them that fresh fish is now available for those who want to buy. I tell them the sizes that are available. I tell them smoked fish is not available. So this is basically how I run it. Okay. Now, why is list building the heart of a sustainable business, right? So social media is loud. It's busy. It's distracting. And people scroll past your message, but your list, they invited you into their private space. That's how you got their information, because they allowed you come in. Right? They want to hear from you. They trust your voice. They see your messages directly. That is the connection between visibility. That is the difference between visibility and connection. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, a woman who sees your Instagram posts and she forgets, but if she sees your WhatsApp broadcast or email list, she will receive your message every time. Visibility multiplies and sales follow consistency. That's just it, basically. So when you have this email list, somebody who doesn't want to get information from you any longer can easily tell you, oh, stop sending a message. But on Instagram, all they have to do is scroll, right? Now, WhatsApp versus email, which one should you choose? I think you should use both of them, because for now, choosing one based on your personality and your audience is important. But I think you should use the both of them, right? And you will use both of them eventually. So you can go in between them simultaneously or use them whenever it's needed. Okay. Your WhatsApp list can help you create a broadcast list. You can create a channel, right? So it is the best for our audience here. It is very easy, because one thing about Africans and emails is that a lot of us, our emails are compounded, are choked with messages that we have not even read. There are people that have emails that were sent to them in 2020 and they've not opened that email to now. So now, choose this if you want. So if you want WhatsApp, if you want to use a WhatsApp list, you're choosing it because if you want fast engagement, high open rate, personal connection, and conversational self. People check their WhatsApp 10 to 30 times a day. You know how many times you check your WhatsApp. So What are the example of different WhatsApp contents? WhatsApp has given us, we have short voice notes. You can send in short voice notes, motivational check-ins, broadcast updates, product reminders, behind the scene videos. So WhatsApp makes your audience feel like they are inside your inner circle. So email list is best for professional positioning. So you can choose this if you want a long-term authority, leadership presence, evergreen funnels, international clients. So the email allows you to deliver guides, send weekly newsletters, and set up automated sequences, right? So this is what the email list affords you. So let's say, for example, now a 5 email sequence can welcome new subscribers and automatically pitch your product in day 3 or day 5. I have someone who I subscribe to. There's something she's teaching on Canva. So she's actually teaches you through email. So it's a 5-day teaching. So she sends you 1 email per day. So when you go through it, you can actually reply the email, maybe practice what she had learned. So now she already has my email. So for every time she wants to make an advertisement, it's easier for her to just do what? Send me an email, right? Now, what do you offer to make people join your list? So it's more of like the lead magnet. So people don't join lists for fun. They join because they want value. Your lead magnet should be simple, fast, transformative, and helpful. So examples like for your niches now, let's say, for example, you are a digital product planner. Now, you should ask yourself, what product should I create first? Right? So give them a simple roadmap. Very simple roadmap, right? So WhatsApp broadcast script now, a template that they can copy and paste. That's what WhatsApp broadcast they should be about. So give them 10 content ideas they can sell. It's fast, it's easy, and it's valuable. Right? Short 3-minute audio, how to discover your profitable skills. A good lead magnet creates trust immediately. All right. So how to build your list daily without stress. Here's what you start doing from today. Step 1, mention your lead magnet in your content. It should be like a short call to action, right? Comment ready and I'll send you a guide. Very easy. Step 2, collect names and emails or save their numbers, right? Just collect the list, collect the email, save their numbers. WhatsApp business give you this way that you can easily label customers, right? Label them. When you're labeling them, it's kind of giving them all a name. Okay. Very easy. On email, you can use MailerLite, ConvertKit, Flowdesk, and so on and so forth. Right? All right. Step 3 is deliver your lead magnet instantly. This builds trust. Step 4 is nurture them consistently. Okay, like you can WhatsApp them twice weekly, emails them once weekly. All right, send value, stories, tips, and once in a while the offer. Do not bombard. Do not spam. Once you are spamming, that block you or unsubscribe from your email. Okay. Now, how does your list make you money? All right. Let me break this down with like simple examples, right? So, for example, now on the WhatsApp broadcast, you can send something like, ladies, here are 3 mistakes beginners make when creating a digital product. So this is something you can put on a WhatsApp broadcast. Okay. This can also be an idea for Instagram, right? It could be something you post on your Instagram and still send to your WhatsApp. Okay. At the end, you can say, if you want a step-by-step guide to create your first product, message me course. People will message you because you have warmed them up. Definitely. People who are interested will definitely message you. So an example of an email sequence now, like I told you, how someone shares to me. So day 1, you share your story. Day 2, you teach a small lesson. Day 3, introduce your offer. Day 4, share frequently asked questions. And day 5, a final reminder. So that single sequence can make you money every time someone joins. It's just an automatic income. All right. So now your list is your long-term wealth. You have to know that platforms can break, pages can disappear, trends can fade, but your list is your foundation, like I told you. So your future events, your future launches, digital products, your speaking engagement, your collaboration, they all become easier when you have a community that belongs to you. Your list is your legacy audience. Okay, the people who follow you from platform to platform, the community that you build for years, right? If you build for years and today you begin building that empire, you have to start that empire today. So start compiling that list, start putting it together. For every sales you make, for everybody that comes, there are people who come from me from Google, from different places, right? So you have to keep those information. Don't play hanky panky with them. All right. So we've come to the end of today, and at the end of each day, I always make sure we have an affirmation. Okay. Now today's affirmation: my community grows daily. I attract loyal, aligned women who value my voice and desire for transformation. Okay, so do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Right? Comments. I'm in the DMs. I'm in the comment section. You can DM me on Instagram. All right. Enjoy the rest of your day. Toodles.